Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom.
Developer interviews.
Hello, my name is Neil Ticktin. I'm the editor-in-chief and publisher of MacTech magazine, and these are the TUAW MacTech interviews with developers talking about OS 10, Mavericks, and iOS 7, and what it means to them, and what we might see coming down the pike here. With me today are Matt Bauer and Rory Lonergan. Thank you guys for joining in here and coming by. They're from Code 42 Software. They're both OS 10 developers for Code 42 Software, and you guys are both OS 10 guys, so I'll make it a little bit easier on you. On it. We've been hearing a little bit more information now about both iOS 7, and we're going to hear obviously more information as time goes on. A little bit of information about iOS 7, and of course OS 10 Mavericks and whatnot. From kind of a user perspective, if you will, what were the kind of your favorite things that you saw in these products? Why don't one of you take one of each?
I can talk about Mavericks. I'm really excited for the power savings.
Yeah.
That's a great benefit for me. I mean, we use laptops for development at Code 42, and the more time we have, the better.
Got it. Yeah, and I think a lot of people are really happy with the power savings and stuff, and it's pretty creative how they've gone about doing it. So, what do you think?
With regards to the iOS 7 platform, we're really excited about some of the backgrounding capabilities. That does open up a lot of new possibilities for us. The backups and some of the other stuff that we do. Being able to do some of those things in the background will really create a nice user experience.
So things like, for example, the notifications triggering the ability to actually think about things a little bit.
Exactly.
Be a big deal for on the back.
Restart those downloads and show your files. Without you having to wait.
So I want to talk about how the announcements and kind of the information about these products as they're coming out here impact you guys. But before we do that, why don't you tell us a little bit about what Code 42 is up to these days? Either one of you.
Well, we are actually working on a native version of CrashPlan for OS 10 and Windows.
Okay.
That certainly takes up most of our time. No timeline yet, but working very hard on it. We're eager to integrate all of Apple's new technologies into our product so we can have a really great user experience.
Are you talking about CrashPlan or CrashPlan E, or are you talking about the whole range?
The whole suite.
The whole suite.
Products.
Okay. Yep. And do they share a code base?
Yes, they do.
They do? Great. So, and CrashPlan, if for those people that don't know, what is CrashPlan? What differentiates CrashPlan from some of the other products that are out there on the backup side?
Security and configurability. We offer excellent choices for our users. We offer completely unlimited backup. No limits on file types, file sizes, whatever you want to back up, we'll store it in our cloud. For business customers, we have a number of excellent plans. You can even run in our Pro E service a server on your own.
Great.
So the data never even leaves your office.
Cool. With the information that we're seeing about iOS 7 and Mavericks, how do you see that impacting more and more? We'll talk a little bit about on the notification side for the mobile side, but why don't we start on the OS 10 side? What do you see as the impacts of Mavericks on what you guys are doing, what your future plans may be?
Those things are really kind of in alignment with the kind of core values that we have when we develop software. We spoke, about the power savings. We feel like backup, needs to be a very thin layer on top of the operating system, noticeable. So having the power savings matches very much up with what we're thinking of doing.
Right.
The native features that OS X provides and the interfaces, the ability for notifications, all that matches very much with the user workflows and the interactions that we're thinking of.
Right. Cool. What about on the iOS side? You talked a little bit about notifications. How might that impact you guys?
Well, with the iOS side, we're really excited about some of the things that we're seeing that are more kind of enterprise focused. The per app VPN capabilities, some of the configurations. Enterprise adoption of iOS devices is just through the roof.
Sure. And
those kind of features just really kind of check all kinds of boxes of features that we've wanted to deliver to our enterprise customers, and we're really excited about being able to do that for them.
And it's been tough to do a lot of those features now as a third-party developer, since there wasn't support from Apple on doing it.
Yeah, it's we haven't been able to deliver them with the kind of polish that we would like to deliver them with.
Sure. It makes it a lot easier to do that now. So. What else are you seeing coming down the road here, or how this might impact things, or what you'd like to see down the future for backup?
Well, our ultimate goal would be access to providing full backup on iOS for our customers.
Sure.
Anyone's guess when that, or if that would happen.
Yeah.
But that would be our dream.
What do you need to have happen from Apple in order to be able to do that?
I guess just full access to the file system.
Yeah. Which is going to be a tough thing for Apple to do.
That's our dream. That's what we have on OS 10.
Yeah.
But who knows? We'll do what we can.
Exactly. Anything else you guys want to tell us about?
No, we're just really excited to get back and start implementing some of the new features that we've seen here and deliver that native product to our customers.
Cool. Well, we're glad to have you here. So, Matt and Rory, thank you for joining us here
Thank you.
and telling us a little bit about what Code 42 is up to. I'm Neil Ticktin. These are the TUAW MacTech interviews, talking to developers about OS 10 Mavericks and iOS 7 and what it means to them and what it means to you moving forward using their products. Thanks for listening.